John walks into a cafe where Anna, a friendly waitress, welcomes him and takes his order. He's in a hurry, but wants to enjoy a quick coffee with some cookies.
Good morning. I'd like to have a coffee, please.
Good morning. Sure. How would you like it? With a lot of sugar, black, light, or strong?
I'd like it black, with enough sugar, please.
Got it. Do you want it small, medium, or large?
I prefer it medium, please.
All right. Would you like to have it with bread or soda crackers?
I'll go with soda crackers. Thanks.
Perfect. Your coffee will be ready in just 5 minutes.
Great, but I'm in a bit of a hurry. Could you please bring me the bill right away?
Of course. I'll bring it with your coffee. I'll make it as quick as possible.
5 minutes later,
Here you go, sir. 1 medium black coffee with sugar, soda crackers, and your bill.
Thank you so much. This is perfect.
John drinks his coffee quickly.
That was great. Thanks again, Anna. Here's a tip for you.
Thank you very much, sir. I really appreciate it. Please come back soon.
I will. Have a good day.
You too.